Hello friends, in this video we will discuss different type of flower on the basis of a relative position of floral parts on thalamus. So how floral parts are arranged on thalamus, on this basis flower are of basically three types. So first is hypogynous flower. In hypogynous flower, thalamus is swollen and disc-like. On this thalamus, ovary is situated at the top and other parts like calyx, corolla and androecium. These parts are present below the ovary. So in this diagram, you can see that thalamus is swollen and ovary is present at the top and other part like calyx, corolla and androecium. All these parts are inserted below the ovary. So here the ovary will be called superior. Because ovary is present at the top. Other parts are present below the ovary. So these part will be called inferior. So hypogynous flower are the flower in which ovary is superior and other part are inserted below the ovary. Example of this is brassica. And the next one is perigynous flower. In perigynous flowers, thalamus becomes cup-like or flask-like, and on this thalamus, ovary is present at the center. All the parts except ovary, that is calyx, corolla and androecium, are inserted at the middle of, or you can say around the middle of this ovary. Like this. So here you can see that thalamus is cup-like, and in this cup-like thalamus, ovary is present in the middle of this thalamus and other parts are inserted, or you can say arises from the midway of ovary. So here calyx, corolla and androecium, all these are inserted in the midway of ovary. So this condition is called, here you can see that ovary is half superior and half inferior. So this condition is called half superior, half inferior ovary. An example of this is rosea. And the last one is epigynous. In epigynous flower, thalamus, like perigynous flower, becomes cup-like, and ovary is present at the base of this cup-like thalamus. Other parts like calyx, corolla and androecium are inserted at the top of this thalamus. So this is called epigynous flower. In epigynous flower, thalamus become cup-like and ovary is situated at the base of this cup-like thalamus. Other parts, calyx, corolla and androecium are present at the top of, or you can say at the mouth of this cup-like thalamus. So here ovary will be called inferior because it is situated below all the other floral parts. Example of this is cucurbita. So these are the three different type of flower on the basis of position of floral part on thalamus. First one is hypogynous. So here ovary is superior and other parts are present below the ovary. Example of this is brassica, and the next is perigynous flower. Here ovary is half inferior and half superior. Example is rosa, and the last one is epigynous flower. In epigynous flower, ovary is present below all the other floral parts. So example of this inferior ovary is cucurbita.